In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add AI-powered columns with the help of Gemini right here in Google Sheets. So when working on a table and you want to add a column that would automatically think for you, summarize data, and generate insights, this is the feature that you've been waiting for. So first, what exactly is an AI-powered column? Think of it like a smart column that uses Gemini directly inside your cells. And instead of typing formulas or manually cleaning data, you simply describe what you want, and Gemini generates the results for the entire column. So in this example, I have this product table with the product name, date purchase, and customer feedback. Now, what I want to do with my fourth column, or my AI-powered column, would be for it to categorize each of these products based on the customer feedback, whether that's going to be a good review, a bad review, if they want a product to be exchanged, returned, or refunded. So for me to add my AI-powered column, I'm going to click on this one right here. When I hover over it, it will say Insert AI Column to my right. So if I click on that, here we have it. And you'll notice right away, we have that AI formula started. And in between those quotation marks, that is where we're going to put in our prompt or our formula, basically what we want Gemini to do for this column. So I'm just simply going to enter my prompt. And again, make sure that's in between your quotation marks. Here we have it. So here is my prompt, or here is what I want Gemini to do for this column. I want it to categorize the product as good review, bad review, return, or refund based on the customer feedback on this column right here. After that, I'm going to put in a comma and select this cell. Once I press enter, Gemini will read through this customer feedback and categorize it into whatever category it belongs to. So imagine having to go through all of these feedbacks just to categorize whether they want it to be exchanged or to be returned, or if it's a good review or a bad review, but you don't have to do that anymore because of this AI-powered column. So if I just double click on this to fill in the rest of my data, AI is now categorizing everything depending on what type of category they belong to, again, based on the customer feedback on column C. And there we have it. We were able to add this amazing column, and now we can just rename this as feedback result. And there you have it. We've successfully added our AI-powered column with the help of Gemini right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you can definitely check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.